The most important thing to do when you start looking for a property to buy is get your budget set. If you need a mortgage, then you need to speak to a mortgage advisor and have them arrange pre-approval for you from the bank, which tells you how much you can spend. Remember, if you are getting a mortgage, you will need a minimum deposit of 25%. If you're buying in cash, make sure you have the money available to you here in the UAE for the time of transfer. Once you've set your budget, find a RERA qualified broker that you can trust and get to work finding your ideal home or investment property. You will sign a Form B contract with your broker to represent you in the upcoming negotiations. When buying, consider the local schools, transport and other amenities, and consider the build quality of the developer who constructed the property. If buying as an investment, carefully consider the current rental demand and prices in the area. Once you've found a property you love and are ready to make an offer, move quickly. Being ready to move quickly will put you in a stronger negotiating position to have your mortgage pre-approval ready and the 10% deposit you will need to secure the unit. Once both parties are agreed on price, they will enter into a legally binding agreement called an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, referred to by RERA as Form F. This will be done via the Dubai Brokers app, and at this stage you will be asked to produce a current dated cheque in the name of the seller as a 10% deposit and a PDC in the name of the broker's company for the commission. In most cases, you will engage the services of a professional conveyancer to assist you with the sales process. If there is a mortgage on the property you are buying, you will go through blocking. The seller will obtain a liability letter from their bank and you will come to the Dubai Land Department to block the property with 4 cheques. One in the name of the seller's bank for the outstanding mortgage, one in the name of the seller for the remainder of the purchase price, one in the name of the Dubai Land Department for the transfer fee of 4%, and lastly, a manager cheque in the name of the agency. It's transfer day! You will meet down at the transfer office with your broker, conveyancer and the seller. Remember, you will also need a cheque for 4% of the value of the property for the Dubai Land Department transfer fees and cash for the Dubai Land Department office as administration fees. Congratulations! You are now a homeowner. You will need to make sure all utilities are registered under your name. You better start planning the housewarming.